Rajavat, student of B.Sc second year Interior Design from Manav Rachna International Institute of Research and Studies. After 12th, I chose this field because I was interested in working with softwares and also enjoy planning and execution of creative ideas. Working with software is less time consuming and gives us a error-free, or you can say a precise output. My overall experience at Manav Rachna has been great. I have received a great support and guidance from my faculties.
Hello, my name is Rafia. I am currently pursuing Bachelor's of Science in Interior Design from Manav Rachna International Institute of Research and Studies, Faridabad. So with the help of my teachers, I am able to understand what is a design, how I can develop a design from anything and everything, and how I can actually use that design in interior spaces.
If you want to be a professional interior designer and looking to bolster your skill, you are just on the right place. Manav Rachna provides you with skill-oriented learning and practical-based experiences. In past 2 years, it was all about real-life executions and practical experiences. But in this year, the starting of semester has created a huge difference, or I could say it created an easier way to reach to my goal. Yes, now we are familiar with interior design softwares. And why is it important? Why do I think that it's gonna be helping me out to reach to my goal effectively and efficiently? Because I think that interior design softwares are computer-aided design softwares intend to help architect, designs and homeowner to create and preview their design implementation in order to showcase their vision for a certain project to their client. Interior design softwares are much relied on for their functionalities, speed and customization abilities, especially when we are working on 3D home designs.